there, it's Tom Knotek with MarineMax Sail and Ski in Austin, Texas. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I have a brand new arrival to show you. It's a 2023 Bayliner Trophy 180 Element Fish. This boat is a cross in between the specific series that Bayliner has when it comes to getting all of your fishing needs taken care of, center console layouts, and the Element series with the M hull. So this is a very unique boat, does come with a galvanized swing tongue trailer, and is the best in value. So I'm gonna take you through my 5 favorite features on this beautiful boat if you wanna come along with me.
My first favorite feature is the power and the hull design. With the power being 115 4-stroke Mercury, you'll be able to get where you need to on time, and this M-shaped hull makes turning much more stable. And jumping into my second favorite feature, this Helm right here has everything you need, starting off with a Jensen 2-speaker Bluetooth sound system, a 7-inch Simrad screen which will have all your instrumentation, and toggle switches for all of your other accessories, and you'll have that bench that you can either stand in front of or sit very comfortably. My next favorite feature is the amount of space you have in this boat to cast or fish. You'll have space up there in the bow as well as some space here in the back. And you have to love these flip up jump seats. You can change it from a casting platform in the back to 2 comfortable forward facing seats. Rounding off my favorite features, the fishing package accessories is the last one. You'll have a live well in the back of the boat. You'll have rocket launcher rod holders behind the helm here, more rod holders on the side. You'll have midship rod holders and a trolling motor mount with a spot to put the power through.
Thanks for coming along with me to check out my 5 favorite features on this 2023 Bayliner Trophy 180 Element Fish. This could be a great first fishing boat for you, or it could be a good little upgrade from the fishing boat you have. And remember, Bayliner does create the best in class when it comes to value, and we are the local Bayliner dealer for the greater Central Texas area. If you have any other questions on this boat or any of the other incoming inventory that we have, you can reach out to me directly at 512-774-0866. Till next time, I'll catch you either here at the dealership or maybe cruising on the lake.